Miserable people.
And we're in the worst of it. The Belgian.
Chechen folktales don't concern me. Only Chechen bullets.
But so many stories. And they all have the same ending. Anyone who enters the forest never leaves.
What?
Spetsnaz Patrol Charlie ETA?
Answer the radio.
Yes, sir. Alpha Base, this is Charlie. About 15 minutes.
10-4, Charlie.
Why'd you stop?
At the last village, there was a child missing.
We make ourselves a target out here. Radio control. This is Major Korkov. Investigating a bicycle. Radio control? What's wrong with the radio?
I have no idea.
Radio control.
Haunted.
Outside! Secure the area. Report anything. Damn, I know this is a trap. Follow me. Move out, huh?